Hello guys, so this is your trainer Anirudh Chiller. So we are working on a Fortinet lab that we made in EVNG and having the platform of 7.x for all the FortiGate firewalls. So the agenda for today is we are going to implement a destination net using the central net, like using the central service net. So let's go to the lab. So before there, let me tell you where exactly we are going to make this happen. So this will work as our outside zone and this will work as inside zone or you can say DMZ zone. So let's say again, this is some user from the internet. Let's say again Viraz. He tried to access some web server, let's say web server 1 that's in DMZ zone. So by the use of CentralNet, how we can achieve that? Okay, we are going to create one policy that's going to allow whatever is coming from the outside to inside or any specific services. And we have to create one D-NAT policy or you can say an virtual IP policy to make it happen. Let's say we are going to create one virtual IP VIP 123.1.1.225. We have taken this from this subnet that's already running in between this. So what we're saying that let's say the user when is try to reach web server 1, so what would be happening? This thing will be reaching to FortiGate firewall and the user will be requesting for 123.1.1.225. For user, this is the web server IP, web server 1 IP. So once this specific IP, when user try to access this one, when this thing land on this firewall, then firewall do the translation of this IP to the IP of this specific R10 or you can say web server 1. That's the IP, I think 10.04.22/24. This is the IP. So if a user try to access web server 1, so they have to reach to this specific address, and once that thing land on the firewall, then firewall will do the netting first because we are going to use the central net first. Is going to do the netting first. Once the netting is done, after that the security policy will come into the play. So it will be saying that okay, netting is done. So whatever is coming from the outside that couldn't go inside using this specific security policy. So that's how we can achieve that. Okay, let's move to the lab and see how it can work. Okay, so we are here. I think it's open right now. Yeah, it is open. Let's open the session. Okay, meanwhile it's opening. Okay, so before that we have to make sure that CentralNet is enabled. For that, let's go to the system first and go to the settings. And in the settings, if you scroll down, okay, here is CentralNet. Just click on it. It's green now and click on apply. We should be seeing CentralNet option in policy object. Okay, it's still not there. So the issue might be we have some firewall policy that's using this one. So we have to remove those. Uh, yeah, here it is. We are using this policy. Let me show you. This is the policy that's using the policy net. So we have to remove this policy and recreate it a new one. So let's remove it for now. We are going to delete it. Okay, it's gone. Now just go back to the system again. Settings. Look for central net or central SNet. I think was yeah central SNet. Here it is. Click it. It's screened. Just apply. Now recheck if yeah here it is. So that policy has been removed. We are here in the central net. Okay, so if you are seeing, we have already one rule that is there. So what this rule says, okay, this rule says is what is coming out from the inside. Okay, this is a different rule, so leave it for now. Okay, let's go to the policies and DNAT and virtual IPs. Okay, this is our rule that we need to use here. This rule should be there and it's already there. So what? Let's reconfirm it. It says that that's a DMZ zone and for central as net. just change the name. So it says that, okay, from whatever interface, doesn't matter, the source is coming. So external IP address should be 123.112.25, and the IPv4 to which address, or you can say this specific IP, when somebody try to reach this specific IP, then NAT should happen and it can be converted to this one, and hence they can reach it, the web server IP 10.04.22. Let's click it OK for now. Okay, then go to the CentralNet, create one policy. Incoming is out here, outgoing is in here, so should be all. Destination should be okay. Instead of that, let's give it a try. Let's directly create a firewall policy. We are not going to create any D-NAT policy. Let's create a new firewall policy. It says that outside to DMZ zone, we are going to create a normal policy. So incoming interface should be outside interface. Outgoing should be incoming. Source can be anything, so keep it all. And the destination can be, let's check. Mm, let's create a new one, the specific one. Go to the address, DMG web server 1, just for sake, and type the IP 0422/24. Okay, if you want, you can color it this one. Okay, did I made some mistake here? I don't think so. Let's /32. Yeah, my bad. I think, yeah. Okay, so just click it here. Let's select all type of services for now. Yes, action, we have to accept that it can be a flow based. As central net enabled, we don't need to worry about the netting policy based netting. It's already enabled, so central is overtaking it. And click all session and just okay. So our policy should work now. Okay, let's go to our, okay, this is our server. Before that, I think we have to enable something else. IP HTTP server, IP HTTP secure server. Okay, exit, save it for now. Last time I forgot to save, I think. Okay, let's open our Linux machine. Okay, so double click, wait for it to open. Okay, this machine is open. Let's reconfirm if we are able to reach to the internet. Let's ping 888. It should have to work. Okay, it's not working. Let's cross check the IPs. Here it is. So the IP should be from the subnet 123 1.1 dot, let's say 111 for instance. Okay, the gateway should be 1. So that's how. Okay, so let's put the DNS as 888. And this one we can keep it 422 for now. Let's apply a couple of times. And let's try to reach the gateway first. Okay, gateway is working. Is it going to stop? No. Okay, we have to make it. Okay, let's reach. Okay, it's reachable now. So what we are going to do before that, let's go to the firewall. And here we are going to use, I think, diagnose. diagnose system session. Yeah, I think clear. What's going to do is going to clear the previous sessions, whatever it is. Like you have previous session, we are working in the previous lab, so it's going to clear those sessions. So the entry will be removed. So get session system session list. Okay. First, go to our Linux and try to ping 123.1.1.1.225. Okay, it's working. Keep trying. And now, let's see here. Okay, we are seeing some of the TCP values. What was the IP we put it here? Let me confirm that so we can. It's 111. Something is coming from 111. Note right now. Let's see. Okay, we have one ICMP packet that's coming from the 111. Try to reach 123.115 and gets converted to 10.04.22. So that's on the firewall. Let's go to the router just for a confirmation. Okay, this is the firewall. Okay, we are on the router. Let's say debug IP ICMP. Yeah, so it will debug the ICMP packets. So, okay, so let me maximize it. If you are seeing some of the ICMP packets, okay, let me close it now. I think we have more than enough packet. Let's say if the ping is still going on. Yeah, still going on. Yeah, okay. Okay, so what we are seeing, I think we just got the reply in this specific part. So what the reply says that if you're seeing ICMP or reply, no worry, we are seeing that on the firewall, we are receiving the packet, get it, that transmitted, sending it to the 10.04.22. But on the router, if you're seeing that, we are seeing, okay, this router, for the router source is 10.04.22 and destination is 123.111 or 111 in the end. So that's the Linux server, or you can say user, that's Viraj that we decided here. So what is saying that, okay, from this source to this destination, ICMP reply is going back. And we are seeing a lot of ICMP packet. Let me do diagnose all here. I think in the diagnose all, debug all, sorry, my bad. Debug all, yes. Okay. I think we have to stop. Okay, stop. Yeah. Let's check if you're seeing. Okay, if you're seeing this packet, we are seeing all kind of packet here. Sources 123.1.1.111 coming from Ethernet 0/0. Destination is 10.04.22. It's a failure packet. Okay, leave it for now. Sometime, maybe the drop or something like that. Okay, this is the packet, the correct one. So source is this, destination is this, coming from this, and these are some other values that we are not going to discuss right now. And we already cross-checked the ICMP reply packet. I don't think we are ICMP reply here. ICMP reply should be for specifics here. Yeah, yeah, okay. So these are the ICMP replies. Reply is going from destination to servers, and packet is coming from server to destination. So that conclude our destination net using the central net policy. So that's how we can achieve it. And so that is all from today's lecture. So I hope you learned something new today. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel at the rate ARC_tutorial, and please like and share the videos. I'll be coming with more topics and more videos of the Fortinet NSE 4. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.